In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site in Cloudflare. Whether you're managing multiple websites or just needing to clean up unused or outdated entries from your Cloudflare account, knowing how to efficiently remove a site can be a real lifesaver. So let's dive straight into the process. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. You'll want to go to your account home. Once you're there, you can easily spot a list of all domains associated with your account. Take your time to locate the specific site that you no longer need. Clicking on the appropriate site will direct you to the detail page for that site. Now that you're on the detail page of your chosen site, scroll down a bit until you come across the section known as Advanced Actions. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Remove from Cloudflare. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to proceed with caution at this stage, as removing a site from Cloudflare is a permanent action. Make sure this is really what you want before moving forward. After clicking on Remove from Cloudflare, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This step is crucial in ensuring you don't accidentally delete a site. In the pop-up, you will be asked to type in the domain name of the site you wish to remove. This is to confirm that you have intentionally chosen to delete the site. Double-check the domain name as you type it in to prevent any unintended deletions. Once you've typed in the domain name, the final step is simple. Click on the Remove button within the pop-up window. After you do this, the site will be officially deleted from your Cloudflare account. It's really that easy, but remember, this action cannot be undone. Deleting a site from Cloudflare is a straightforward process, but it's one that requires careful attention to detail. Always make sure to verify the domain name you're removing to avoid deleting the wrong site. If you have sites that you're no longer managing or no longer need Cloudflare services for, this cleanup can greatly streamline your dashboard and help keep your Cloudflare account organized and efficient. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete a site in Cloudflare. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.